Hello guys, this is Abiodun Michael and you are welcome to free learning video. In this video, I am going to show you the proof that the Pi Network non-custodial wallet is ready and how it is. And by now, you should know that the Pi Network Phase 3, which is also known as the mainnet, will be released any moment from now. So be ready to start trading your Pi for another goods and services. But before we go further in this video, please, if this is your first time of watching video on this channel, kindly use this 2 seconds to click on the subscribing button below this video so that whenever we release another video concerning Pi Network or other projects that might have a good impact into your life, you will easily find the video on YouTube here. Kindly do so right now. Thank you for subscribing and you are welcome back. As I said earlier, I will show you the proof that the Pi Network non-custodial wallet is ready and it will be launched soon. If you are a pioneer, I believe you understand what I'm saying about non-custodial wallet. But if you are not a pioneer, if you are yet to register for Pi Network, please, I urge you to quickly do so right now because Pi has come to stay. Pi Network will hit the world and all over the world. Please don't miss this opportunity. Kindly follow the instruction on the description of this video to register for your Pi Network so that you can join the cryptocurrency world. So, some days ago, the Pi core team, Mr. Nicholas, shared a video concerning the Pi Network non-custodian wallet. Many people have seen it, while some have not seen the video. So in this video, I'm going to share the video with you on how the Pi Network core team share the video on the Pi Network app to everyone and tell us that the Pi Network non-custodian wallet will be released soon, probably at the end of this month. This is the video.
We have two very quick updates to give you. First, as you may have noticed, the Pi mobile app is currently under maintenance. That means that it's running with limited functionality. We anticipate this maintenance to last several days, and that's why we wanted to give you this announcement now so that you are not worried about it. The core team is working non-stop to minimize the inconvenience, so please be patient and rest assured that your Pi is safe. If you find that your app is not working, simply check back later, maybe a few minutes or a few hours, and do not attempt to uninstall and reinstall it, trying to fix it yourself, because there's nothing wrong with your own local application. Reinstalling the application might get you locked out of your account, especially if you have forgotten your password, because the password recovery system is currently offline. We will restore the normal functionality of Pi as soon as possible. Second, I wanted to share with you my excitement that our initial non-custodial Pi wallet for the Pi testnet is ready and the core team is testing it internally already. Its interface is not finalized yet, or it's not very pretty, but the functionality is there. We aim to release it initially to the Pi moderators for testing and then to node applicants by the end of the month. So stay tuned.
As you can see by yourself, this is real. The Pi Network non-custodial wallet is ready, and the mainnet will be launched as soon as possible, any moment from now. Concerning the pinetworkprice, many people have been sharing different price concerning Pi network. Some said 1 Pi is equal to $5. Others say 1 Pi equal to $50. Others say 1 Pi equal to $100. But in this video, I'm going to tell you that Pi network is yet to have value. Any price you see online at this moment, none of them are still real. But I'm going to tell you about an exchanger that was mentioned in the Pi Lifestyle TPL. The exchanger, the crypto exchange is called Coin Data Flow. Although no one mentioned Coin Data Flow data concerning Pi network price as real, and they did not mention it as fake, but I believe Coin Data Flow has something close to Pi network price. When you check Coin Data Flow, you will see the amount 1 Pi network coin worth. But at this moment, we cannot say that the amount, the price that Coin Data Flow mentioned on their website is real or fake, because until a blockchain was built, until a blockchain is built for an cryptocurrency, before anyone can know its actual price. So right now, all the prices you see online, all of them, I can say they are fake or they are legit. So this is my update for today's for you. Thank you for watching, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please kindly do so right now, because I will be releasing a video soon, and I believe you don't want to miss the video. It is a video that every pioneer should know and they should see. So try and use these few seconds to click on that subscribing button and click on the bell behind it. Thank you for